down.
You guys want to just let us pass real quick?
Yeah.
Good to go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's a cliff.
Huh?
There's a cliff on the other side.
Let this be a hike. Jeannie would not be up here. Absolutely not. Hear me?
Yeah. I'm recording that, so I'll let her know what you said. Excuse me. Thank you. Where's my GoPro app?
There aren't many people up here.
No.
You can tell where people grab the most.
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Huh? Like you said, I'm surprised they let people to do this.
Yeah.
Because people are so like clumsy, and I figured I'd make you do some kind of test or something. Have some basic skills.
You know.
This is rough. On my knees.
If we don't have to go to the top, I'm okay.
We're almost there.
What time is it?
240.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at that spider.
Oh, Jesus. That's a tarantula.
Can you picture that? Oh my gosh.
Watch out. It's a tarantula.
Oh.
Imagine the person who put the chains up here.
Hello there.
I can pass it if you want to.
All right. thank yous right there.
Huh?
I said they thank yous at that tree. To the next one.